Welcome back to Tax Talks by TNC Sridhar. Most of us think that all income is taxed according to income tax slabs, but that's not true. Some types of income are taxed at fixed or special rates, no matter how much salary or business income you earn. In today's episode 12, we'll clearly understand what are special rates of taxes, which income attracts them, why deductions are not allowed in many cases, and common mistakes taxpayers make. Let's begin. What are the special rates? Special rates of taxes are predefined tax rates applied to specific type of incomes instead of normal slab rates. These rates apply uniformly to everyone, are mentioned directly in the Income Tax Act. Do not change based on your total income. The government uses these rates to control speculative income, ensure simplicity, and prevent misuse of deductions. One of the most common special rate income is lottery and gambling winning. This includes lottery prizes, game shows, online betting, card game, and horse racing. The key points are taxed at a flat special rate, no deduction allowed, no basic exemption limits benefit. Many people make the mistake of adding this income to salary and applying the slab rates. That is incorrect. Capital gain at different rates for different capital gains arising when you sell shares, mutual funds, property, gold, and other assets. Capital gains are classified into two major heads. One is called short-term capital gain and long-term capital gain. Each type has its own holding period, its own tax rate, its own exemption rules. Capital gain do not follow the salary slabs in most cases. Understanding asset type and holding the period is crucial. Some other incomes taxed at special rates include certain interest incomes, unexplained income, cash credits, or undisclosed investments. These are taxed at higher fixed rates, often with no deductions, heavy penalties. This is done to discourage tax evasion. These provisions are also referred as anti-tax evasion provisions. Deduction and exemptions. Why they are not allowed? One common doubt is, can I claim ATC or other deductions on special rate income? In most cases, a big no. Special rates are applied without basic exemptions, without deductions, without rebate benefits. Always check whether deductions are allowed before calculating tax. Common mistakes taxpayers make: applying slab rates instead of special rates, claiming deduction where not allowed, ignoring TDS already deducted, incorrect classification of income. These mistakes can result in additional tax demand, interest, and income tax notice. Practical tips for taxpayers: identify the nature of income first, check if it falls under special rates, match income with Form 26 AS or AS, declare income correctly in the income tax return. Correct reporting is equal to peace of mind. To conclude, understanding special rate of tax helps you calculate your tax correctly and avoid unnecessary notices or penalties. If you have any questions or doubts, drop your queries in the comments below. In our next episode, we will decode something everyone talks about: budget 2026. What exactly is budget? Why do government present the budget every year? What is the difference between financial year and assessment year? And how budget decisions impact your tax planning? Don't miss the next episode. Like, share, and subscribe to the Tax Talks by TNC Sridhar. See you next Thursday at 12:30 p.m. Until then, stay aware, stay tax smart.